Hey there! I just wanted to introduce a new series that I have been wanting to do, and it's called Your Time Is Now, Dream It, Do It After 40. So if you've already hit 40 or beyond and you feel that tug to do something more meaningful with your time and your energy and just your creativity in general, then this will be the perfect series for you. Because maybe you've been busy raising kids, supporting everyone else around you, working at a job that doesn't fill your cup, in fact is draining your cup completely empty, and now it is finally your turn. But the idea of starting over feels slightly terrifying. Or maybe it's that the tech world you think is passing you out. Where would you even begin? But the best news is you are not behind in any shape or form. You're actually right on time. And yes, tech and AI is absolutely exploding. There have never been so many opportunities right now at your fingertips. Tools that were once for only techies and large corporations are now right here, ready to help you turn your ideas into income, confidence, and freedom. And I'm going to show you how to take all of the life experience that you already have and turn it into something incredible. This series will be your gentle, step-by-step guide to building a soul-led business that fits you and your lifestyle perfectly. And we will discuss and talk about AI, and we will use it as a creative partner, not in an overwhelming way. It'll be there to help you find your unique idea, build a brand that you absolutely love, create digital products if that's something you're interested in, share your voice online, and just feel so proud with what you've created. So you don't need any tech skills. You don't need to be an expert in any area. You just need a willingness to start. So let's break down what's coming. In week 1, I'm going to launch the first video on Friday, and this is a commitment to myself as well. I'm going to launch 2 videos per week, Fridays and Wednesdays. So I've said it out loud now, I'm going to commit to this. So week 1 will be all about foundation and mindset and why your 40s are the perfect time to start something new. You'll discover why your life experience is actually your greatest superpower and how now is exactly the right time to reinvent your career, your work, and your purpose. In week 2, we'll be using AI to get unstuck, which basically we're going to break it down and the top 3 AIs that every woman over 40 should try. I'm going to break it down in a really easy way. You'll learn how to use free tools like ChatGPT, and I'll give you really helpful prompts to brainstorm business ideas, gain some clarity. Week 3 will be all about finding your business idea. So turning your life experience into a business idea with the help of AI. So we'll use simple prompts like, based on my experience as a teacher, a mom, a coach, just to uncover what you're good at and what you absolutely love. So your business starts with meaning. And week 4 then will be about branding. So how to create a brand look, brand design, your logo, again with the help of AI. You learn how to generate beautiful name ideas and pick brand colors that really resonate with you. And all of these are free design tools that are available. Week 5 will be about confidence and clarity boost. So if you're feeling too old for this or feeling just overwhelmed in general, in this one it will be talking mindset, talking through fears, the truth about starting later in life. And you'll also learn how to use writing with the help of AI to unlock your voice and just to get very, very clear on what it is you want. Week number 6, tech beginner. Exactly like me, so we can do it together. I will be talking about how I built the website, The Happy Artist, with absolutely no tech skills, with very basic tech skills. So I'll be talking about what I did wrong, what I would do differently, and how you can do it too, just using really easy drag and drop builders like Wix, again with built-in AI bots to help you along the way with different prompts. And even if you've never built any sort of platform or website before, you'll see how easy it is. So week 7 will be about creating digital products, how to go about this, creating your own digital product to sell again and again. So it's turning your idea, you can turn any idea into a digital product, whether it is a guide, it could be an ebook, could be a course, or it could be just a very simple download. But it's just something that you love, and once you have it created, it becomes kind of like a passive income. So that will be all the episodes in the series, and this series isn't about hard slog and hustle. It is all about heart first, finding your passion. It's all about purpose-led, permission-giving, journey for women like us who are ready to start something new. So if you are ready and you're ready to feel lit up again, ready to build a business that fits your life and not the other way around, if this sounds like you, then I would love for you to join me. And the first video will be coming out on Friday. Why your 40s and beyond is the perfect time to start over. So let's begin building your beautiful dreams together. And hopefully I will see you on Friday. Thanks. Bye.